Hi, this is the BSIG Summer Symposium in Preston. I'm Andy White and we're here with Graham Stanley. Graham, this is your first BSIG conference. How are you liking it?
I've loved it. I've had a great time. It's been very interesting for me in lots of different ways. As coordinator of the Learning Technologies SIG, I'm really looking to get ideas of what kind of events we can use, and I think more collaboration between SIGs is a great thing. So I've seen how you set up a conference, how you organise it, how you run it, the people, what they do. I'm very impressed, I have to say, with everything.
Yeah, there's some good ones.
Wonderful.
Yeah.
And it's all gone really smoothly. Great. So it's a great example of how we can run an event for the LT SIG, for example.
Okay, so what ideas are you going to incorporate for that?
Well, I think one of the things is we've just expanded our committee to have more events organisers for the very reason that we want to follow BSIG's lead, if you like, and hold more events. And I think having sort of themes like you've had at this conference, you know, technology and business English, looking at different aspects of a theme, you know, very deeply, is a great thing to do.
Yeah, it was a good idea.
Yeah,
All right, so you're planning on doing things like using the Adobe Room as well?
Yes, that's the other thing. We're very fortunate that our committee is sort of increased, and so we have another 4 committee members, and Nikki Hockley. We're very happy to have Nikki Hockley.
She's excellent.
Yes, definitely. As our online events organiser, so we're looking at Nikki to sort of arrange a programme of online events. Okay. And then we've got, you know, Paul Sweeney and Burchu Akio as our new events organisers.
Great team.
So great, yeah.
Yeah. All right, and you just gave a talk.
Yeah.
Yeah, how was that? What did you talk about?
I talked about social networking and personal learning networks related to business English teaching, and how, hopefully gave a few ideas of how business English teachers can start to use them either for teacher development or also maybe in class. And I talked about this initiative that we've just started, which is called A Planet.
Who's we?
Well, yes, the we is, it's a European Union lifelong learning programme project. So we've got a grant from the European Union, and the we is 7 partner institutions in different parts of Europe. So in the UK, in Spain, that's the British Council in Spain. Okay. Turkey, Greece, Romania, and I'm sure I'm leaving out a few.
All right.
And anyway, we've come together. We're collaborating to sort of promote a way of helping teachers, a system of helping teachers to develop using social media. Great. And it's going to be through mentoring. So we're just getting started, and we'll be piloting after the summer.
Can you give us a concrete example? So mentoring through social networks, is that like a PLN, personal learning network, or you've got other ideas?
Well, I think the important thing is that we've asked for teachers who have perhaps so far they're reluctant because of whatever fears or uncertainties or doubts that they might have about using social networking, Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn or anything else, to in their classes or with their colleagues or with people they don't know. And we're taking a teacher, we'll be asking them to do a questionnaire of find out what their particular situation is and maybe what they have in mind, what they would like to know, and then we'll be assigning them a mentor. Okay. That mentor will sort of look at the information from the questionnaire and say, well, I recommend you should maybe use Twitter to connect with these teachers, and I'll help you to do that. I'll introduce you. Great. And I'll show you how you can use it. Yeah. And then perhaps you could set up a Facebook group with your students, and I'll show you how to do that. So that's the kind of thing that we'll be doing.
Okay, it sounds very structured. So instead of just, you know, going out there somewhere and getting advice from your community, then you've got one person who's responsible for you. Is that it?
Yeah, I think our idea is not to have it rigid. So we're getting volunteer mentors and then people who are volunteering who want to know more. There's also, we'll be doing a lot of sort of resources, making them available on our website, which is aplanetproject.eu, and that will enable other people who perhaps don't want to mentor, but who can sort of learn themselves at their own pace through the resources, videos, guides to social networks and advice.
Sounds fabulous. Are you still looking for volunteers for
Yes,
mentors?
we are, definitely. So anybody
that was
who wants aplanet-project.eu.
Okay.
And then we've got a name which is the same, aplanet-org.
Okay.
And anyone can join.
All right, that sounds fabulous.
I mean, either people who want to join to be mentors or people who are interested in learning more and want to be mentored. We're very happy to help people, basically.
Mentorees.
Mentorees, exactly.
Yes. Okay, yeah, it sounds like, well, you're really doing a lot to support the community. And yeah, thanks so much for that. And also for your talk, which was fabulous.
Thank you, Andy.
All right, yeah.
Okay.
All right, and thanks for watching. Check out aplanet-project.org.
Project.org.
Yeah, thanks.